Hi everyone, welcome to Maddie's Life in Australia.
Aussie.
Tonight I'm taking you to
It's a new
Aussie
restaurant located at
Great Eastern Highway.
Great Eastern.
First time to try. Let's see.
I suppose we have to try. My husband keeps talking about this place. I hope I'm sure the burger is gonna be nice. It's called Aussie Ribs. So we are here tonight to try it and see how we go. Ang laki niya, ang laki-laki ng kaniyang ano. It's very new. You can see.
Yeah, it was really thick.
There you go. And we've got some nice yummy chicken in butter sauce. Yeah. Try a little bit, darling. I know you're vegetarian, but you can try. Yummy. Let's try this. That's him. Thank you.
Good.
I can't. Mojito Island, and my hubby's having the tropical. I love the sauce on this. Yummy. And their drinks is really nice. What's this one? I hope it's nice. I like how they have this little like strawberry, you know, look, they clip it like that. Oh my god, it's coming up. Okay. Ang sarap ng sauce niya. Tell you guys, the sauce they use is buffalo sauce. It's so yummy, my god. I could eat this with rice. Ah, yummy. But I'm still waiting for my Caesar salad. Yummy. So guys, it's creamy prawns. Look at that Caesar salad. Look at that. I keep waiting for the Caesar salad, but what happened is I ordered the chicken, didn't realize that it was an entree, so I have to ask when will the Caesar salad be ready. So it come out together with my husband's main course. So okay, I'm gonna start eating. See you later. You know when the food is good. Look at my plate. My hubby is still enjoying his salad. And look. And it's getting lots of people everywhere now. It's getting very busy now. Busy na. Ang dami ng tao. Talaga nung straw nila, oh. Kasi strawberry yung akin, nilagay strawberry din yung design ng straw. Yung sa husband ko tropical, nakalagay yung kulay yellow. Ang cute. Okay guys, tapos na kaming kumain. I totally enjoyed that. I love the preparation of their sauce. Ayan guys, Aussie Ribs Bar and Grill. It's really yummy.
Paborito ko to guys, yung ino-order namin palagi sa Vietnamese, yung nauna. Ito sa asawa ko. Then nag-order din kami ng drink. Masarap tong isa na to, meron siyang sago sa loob.
Natuloy dun sa sa Munggong Dam kasi sarado. Wisit ang layo pa naman. So tigil na lang tayo dito sa pet bar. Okay, kasi may pet na kami kaya ngayon pupunta kami sa pet bar. Napadayo pa ng malayo. Nagpunta dito sa Armadale. I don't know what we can see here. Okay.
That's Jasper.
Yeah. So silipin natin kung anong meron dito sa pet bar. Ang daming selection ng mga nabibili ng para sa aso. Oh my God, first time in my life ginagawa ko to. Kasi I never had a puppy. Hanggang, daw, buy one, get one half price. Pero putris naman ang halaga, Diyos ko. 42. Grabe. Mahal. Ang mahal ng tinda. Ang daming choices, Yan, ito ang binili ko eh. Ito. For small dog, $21. Ayan. Grabe, no? You can really open pala talaga ng business ng... Huh?
You can't give alcohol to puppies.
Of course, you know that. Even grapes and... Yeah. Mabiro tong asawa ko. Ang cute naman nito. Color ba to? Small. This is so cute. Pero mas maganda yata yung nabili ko na asul. Mas maganda yung nabili ko. Ay, nako. Maloloka ka pala. Parang nagsha-shopping ng para sa mga baby. Okay, balik tayo dun sa shampoo. Ayan, may mga ganyan mga pang-shave at saka hairbrush, Ginagamit kong hairbrush yung suklay ko eh. Ang gastos pala magkaroon ng aso. Grabe. Ay. Tignan mo naman, grabe naman tong mga na to. Suklay na suklay lang, 30. Nako po, Diyos ko. Ang mahal palang magpapi. Pati ba naman yung mga hair dryer? Yeah. Yeah. Whitening shampoo. I'm gonna smell some, darling. Just wait.
End up picking this one, and this is good. Thank you for watching Maris Life in Australia. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.